The John Deere integration of FarmShots allows you to import an existing farm field tree from My JohnDeere into FarmShots. First, navigate to Settings in the upper right-hand corner, and at the very bottom, choose Login underneath John Deere integration. Upon choosing Login, sign in to your My JohnDeere account. Once you've logged into your My JohnDeere account, let's choose the Import Farms button. Upon choosing Import Farms, we will first select our organization. And lastly, we'll choose which farms do we want to import the fields and boundaries for. After choosing Continue, the upload process will occur and will retrieve the fields from My JohnDeere and import them successfully into FarmShots. After successfully importing your farms from your My JohnDeere account, they will now be available within the Farms dashboard within your FarmShots profile.